everyone! Welcome to IvyTV Korean class. Today I prepared a special class to help you quickly be able to converse in Korean instead of a step-by-step course that we've been doing so far. This is because I know how frustrating it gets sometimes, especially for beginners, to not be able to say much even after studying all the alphabets and tenses and all that complicated stuff. So today, I'm gonna throw right at you a short writing in Korean in order for you to just suck them all in. No need to learn nouns today and verbs tomorrow and conjunctions the day after. What you learn today will stick to you right away so that you'll be able to converse with it right away. So here is a paragraph I wrote in perfect Korean. 오늘은 공휴일이었어요. 그래서 저는 친구들과 동물원에 가기로 약속을 잡았어요. 우리는 오전 11시에 지하철역 5번 출구 앞에서 만났어요. I'll read it one more time. 오늘은 공휴일이었어요. 그래서 저는 친구들과 동물원에 가기로 약속을 잡았어요. 우리는 오전 11시에 지하철역 5번 출구 앞에서 만났어요. So first, the nouns in the paragraph were 오늘, 오늘, which means today. 오늘. 공휴일, which means national holiday. 공휴일. Look at my lips. 공휴일. 저. This means me in a formal version. 저. Remember the informal version of me is 나. Now the next word, 친구. Have you heard of that word before? 친구 means friend. 친구, 친구. Now, 동물원, 동물원, which means zoo. Next, 약속, 약속, which means promise or appointment. 우리, 우리. It means we or us. We or us. 우리. Now the next word is 오전, which is AM in terms of AM and PM regarding time. So when we say 오전 something, 오전 11 o'clock, that means 11 o'clock in the morning or 11 a.m. Now, 11시, 11시. This means 11 o'clock. Don't worry, we'll learn how to read times in Korean in our next video. 11시 means 11 o'clock. 지하철, 지하철. This is subway. 지하철. 역, station. 역, 역. 5번, number 5, and then 번. 5번. So 5 is 5 and 번 means number, right? 5번 is number 5. 출구, which means gate. 출구. 앞 means in front. 앞. 앞. Okay, so these were the nouns. Next, the verbs plus alpha. Now, is in English is in Korean 뭐뭐이다. So 뭐뭐 is something. 뭐뭐이다. 이다. Now, the past tense of is was, right? So was in Korean, past tense of 이다 is 이었다. 이었다. Now we have the formal version of the past tense 이었다, which is 이었어요. Once again, is 이다, was 이었다. The formal version of was 이었어요. Now, the verb 가다. It means go. 가다. Now, we have a form of the verb 가다 to mean to go. To go somewhere. For example, plan to go, promise to go. In Korean, we say 가기로. I promised to go. I promised 가기로. Next, we have 잡다, which means grab originally, but it can also mean make in regards to making a promise or making an appointment, making plans. So 잡다. So how do we say make an appointment or make a promise in Korean? 약속을 잡다. Remember 약속 that we did just before? 약속 meant promise or an appointment, right? So when we say 약속을 잡다, it means make an appointment, make a promise. Here, 을, that goes right after 약속. 을 is what comes right behind the object noun. In this case, 약속, right? So 약속을 잡다. Now, what's the past tense of 잡다? 잡았다. So we only add at in between the word 잡다. 잡았다. It means grabbed or made an appointment or plan. Now, what's the formal version? We add the 요 at the end. 잡았어요. So this is a formal version of grabbed or made. 만나다 means meet somebody. The past tense of meet, which is met, is in Korean 만났다. Now, met in a formal version is 만났어요. You and I 만났어요 last Monday, for example. Now, we also have something 에서, 뭐뭐에서, which is the same meaning as at in English, at. So in our paragraph, it was 5번 출구 앞에서, right? So up was in front, and when we add 에서 behind up, it means at the front of something. So 5번 출구 앞에서 is at the front of gate number 5. Now, finally, we have the conjunction 그래서. This means therefore, so, thus. So it's one of the most commonly used conjunctions in any language, right? So we have learned that today. 그래서. For example, 그래서 우리는 만났어요. So we met. 그래서 so 우리는 we 만났어요. The past tense formal version of meet, right? So we met. Okay, so let's read the same paragraph again and see how much you can understand or repeat after. 오늘은 공휴일이었어요. 그래서 저는 친구들과 동물원에 가기로 약속을 잡았어요. 우리는 오전 11시에 지하철역 5번 출구 앞에서 만났어요. How was it? Do you understand everything now? That's it for our little class today. Hang in there for more efficient classes. And don't worry, we're still going to be doing the step-by-step versions of classes as well. And please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.